Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. This is this week's update. Next video will be coming out on Saturday morning. So Saturday morning is the next video, about 7:30 that'll be released, and then the next video after that will be on Tuesday morning at 7:30, and there will be some YouTube shorts coming out as well randomly, so keep an eye out for those. Just the random 1-minute videos as well. Thank you to everyone who have subscribed. Obviously it's free to subscribe. Trying to get to 2,000 subscribers by Christmas. That's the target. So if you've not subscribed and you're watching this, hit the subscribe button please. Much appreciated if you do. It'll help me. Also, if you like the videos, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, give us a share as well. Want to leave a comment? I'll try and reply to all the comments if I can. Obviously, it's half term next week. For a majority of schools, so everything will be open next week, more or less. Joyland will be, and the Pleasure Beach as well, open all week. Amusements open all year, so if you ever go to Yarmouth, sort of out of season in the winter, there's still the amusements. Don't forget the Facebook page as well. If you're watching on here and you've not seen the Facebook page, pop over to see Great Yarmouth Photos and Webcams on Facebook. Over 20,000 followers on there. Videos on weekly on the Facebook page as well. Also on Instagram and Twitter. Also, you can become a member, a paid member, on the YouTube page. Starts from 99p a month. You get early access to everything, and it's same on Facebook as well. You want to become a member, paid member, you can do, and you get exclusive videos as well and photos. There's the Illuminations. They on all year round nowadays, and they go up all the way up Regent Road as well. Hope you're all enjoying the videos. The videos will carry on all the way through the winter. If you scroll through my videos, there is a Boxing Day video of the seafront at Yarmouth and at Hemsby on Boxing Day. If you want to see what it's like, it was rather wet, rainy day though, but everything, the amusements was open. Just wait for this just to spin round on the other webcam. Obviously it's not showing much at the minute. Just spin round onto Wellington Pier in a moment. Once it's gone off the beach, there's not much to see on the beach. This in the dark. Looks like there might be some rain on the webcam lens as well, because it's not a particularly clear picture. You probably can hear my clock in the background. I'm just recording this at 7 p.m. and it's going straight onto YouTube. Should be on for about past. There's the amusements, some people about. Right, that's about it for this update. As I said, Saturday, next video, then Tuesday. I think there will be a short coming out in the morning as well. Okay, thanks for watching.